I work as a chef on a yacht, and here's a day in my life. I got woken up this morning by the sound of the motors turning on because we needed to head over to the fuel dock. Joke's on us because as soon as we got there, the power shut down. I made a soursop smoothie for the crew. Soursop has a ton of seeds in it, and I must have missed one because our captain almost broke his tooth. After sitting on the fuel dock with no power for 5 hours, I decided to put out some lunch. We had some leftover barbecue, Bahamian mac and cheese, and chicken salad. Then got started on dinner prep. I'm making honey walnut shrimp and beef stir fry. Made a batter for the shrimp with cornstarch, flour, salt, and water. I'll fry those bad boys up and then make my sauce. Just with some Kewpie mayo, condensed milk, and lemon juice. We are running dangerously low on provisions, so I have to dip into my frozen produce. We haven't been able to get to the store because this whole island is flooded and a car can't get us to the grocery store. So I'm working with what I got. Tossed my fried shrimp into the sauce, made my beef stir fry, and dinner served. And for a side dish, I made some white rice. The day is not complete without dessert, so we're making chocolate chip cookies, the captain's favorite. And finish the day with a beautiful sunset. Bye, little chef.
I'm gonna get like milk and eggs, everything except for fruits and vegetables, unless they're like brand spanking new on the shelves.
I finally made it to the grocery store. This whole island has been flooded for weeks and there was no way of getting to a grocery store. We've been living off frozen produce, so I'm happy to be here. When I walked into the grocery store, I knew it was gonna be a great day. The supply boat must have just come in. There were fresh fruits and vegetables, which is atypical. We must have come in just in time because typically the day after a shipment comes in, the good produce is already picked through.
Oh yeah, I'll take a red onion. That looks good. Yeah, I'll take a couple. Huge. We are almost out of jalapenos. Any hot sauces that you want?
I tentatively create a menu before the yacht trip, but it's really based on what is available to me in the grocery store. So at this point, I'm picking up whatever looks super fresh.
Parsley looks good.
And once I get back to the boat, I can take a look at all of my inventory and then plan my menu for the week.
No. That's a no. All right. Good on produce. I think all I'll need is milk. You want 2%? All right, 4 dozen eggs for a week. And we have the 18, the 2 18s. Should be fine. All right, cookies, because we got Cookie Monsters on this boat.
I work as a chef on a yacht in the Bahamas, and today I hit the jackpot at the grocery store. In 2 days from now, we're gonna have 24 guests on board. Thankfully, the supply boat just came in, so I have a bounty to choose from. Grocery shopping in the Bahamas is far different from grocery shopping in the States. You never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes the produce is fresh, but also there's a good chance it's gonna be moldy. Everything is imported, and it's not the freshest. For example, I paid $12 for a pint of strawberries that were half molded, and then $17 for 3 zucchinis.
Thank you. Thanks, Gina. Thank you. I got it. Thank you.
Feeding 24 people is not light work, and thankfully I have an amazing crew to help out with groceries.
Gotta do some packing in here.
You two are both great at Tetris. Oh, I need to go too.
Island boy.
Island boy.
I just got back to the yacht with all of these groceries. Hopefully they'll fit in the fridge. We have 8 freezers on board that are holding about 800 pounds of meat. There's plenty of freezer space, but not so much fridge space. And that can be difficult for a week like this one. We're gonna have 24 guests on board. There are 2 refrigerators on board, and they're not like your home fridges. These refrigerators are counter depth, meaning the depth is only half the amount of a regular fridge. Therefore, I'm working with half the space. Good thing I'm great at Tetris. There's a lot of rearranging, but I have to work quickly because I need to get this food under refrigeration.
Thank you. Can you just put the rest maybe in that box right there for me?
First one?
Sure. Thank you.
All of the produce goes in the galley fridge, which I'm working on right now. And dairy, eggs, and meats for thawing go in the hallway fridge. I know this looks like a lot of food, but it will disappear in 5 days. I've got breakfast, lunch, cocktail hour, dinner, and dessert to serve these guests. Make sure to follow along to see what I cook with all of these ingredients. Bye, little chef.
So we're getting 1,500 gallons.
It's fueling day. This yacht holds 3,000 gallons of fuel. We already have half a tank, so we just need to top it off. Guests are going to be coming in very soon, and we're island hopping. This marina is the most reliable spot to get gas and the cheapest. So we'll pull out of our slip in the marina and head over to the fueling dock. Every crew member has a job when we're fueling. First, we need to dock the boat. I'm on the bow, Brian's on the stern, Gina's on the spring lines, and Captain Mark is using his remote control to move this boat. So yes, Abby is sometimes not in the galley, she does help with lines. They taught me how to tie all of these cool knots. After we get tied off, then we start fueling the boat, which takes anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. Let's check on Brian.
How's breakfast, Daddy?
In the morning, I'm a little raspy. I got your eggs ready. I'll give it to you when you're sitting down out here. Put on the little diaper.
Never mind, we're not getting fuel. The power just went out throughout the whole marina.
Rollies on the curve.
What do we got for a menu? What do you got?
Cracked lobster, wings, pizza, rice, coleslaw, rice.
That's it, huh? We better try one. Let's try 2.
Cracked lobster. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ramen.
Try me.
Nice coleslaw and cracked lobster. I think
Brian's reaching.
I think we need to try it while it's hot.
Go ahead, Abby.
Give me. I like the little one. Right?
Give me.
Mmm.
How good is that?
I know, Brian. This one's a little bit smaller. That one's just huge. Mmm. So tender.
How is it? Thank you.
Sweet, tender. Sweet and tender.
The hayman, no?
What do you think, Brian?
I think you're out of business.
That is rude. Where's the ladder? Brian. Yeah, there are cookies in the oven that are going to be burning.
Oh, I'll go get them. Thanks for letting me know.
Oh my gosh.
See ya.
Yeah, I'm on the roof.
Abby, get off the roof.
But the sunset's so pretty. Come and see the sunset, Mark. Put it back.
Brian can get down. Brian.
Brian.
What are you gonna do, Chef? You need a pillow?
Please.
How
I
about
need a
blanket?
I need a landing spot. Thank you. Is it on correctly?